Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make arancini. Tonight's dinner is going to be featuring mozzarella stuffed arancini. And for the wine, we got a nice Silvio Grasso Nebbiolo. Alright, let's get to it. Like risotto, arancini is all about the rice. And here we go. I just wanted to show you. You got to rinse it. Cold water. Rinse, 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 rinse. And this is 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water, put it on to boil. Okay, you want to make your own breadcrumbs. So, you got your bread, grate up your crust all the way around. It's a good thing to do. And then once you do that, you want to put it in a bowl, equal parts white cornmeal, and then add flour as a binder, and it works out just so well. And your reward? Perfect rice every time. Now this is al dente, 30 minutes. Again, you need to cool it down. So here you have it. Throw it in a glass, let it steam off a little, throw it in the fridge. Slice up your mozzarella, and then pull your rice out of the fridge. Add a couple of eggs to it, and then get it ready to go. Now put it in your hand, mozzarella, a little more rice, make a snowball, bread it up. What more simple can be? And then, of course, repeat. I love a bed of greens under food because it's very healthy. Okay, you know how I like it. Spinach, olive oil, lime, salt, pepper, little feta cheese. Finish it off with some red bell peppers. I'm going to put these in gently. We don't like throwing them around. Look at that, perfectly pan-fried. Gotta love pan-fried food. I'm going to turn this around a little. And the chanterelles whole, because you don't want to cut up chanterelles. That's just wrong. The chanterelles will go very well with the arancini because, hey, they're both orange. Or arancini stands for little oranges, by the way. We're cooking these at 3 minutes a side. We're flipping them now. Looking very nice. Look at that. Okay, now they're done. We're going to pull them off here and get ready to plate our plate. Now you already know how to make my marinara sauce. So I put that down. Fresh basil from the garden, of course. And throw the arancini on top. Look at those beautiful little oranges. And then, of course, a little dip on top of that. And get ready for our lamb chops. Wow, those are very nice. And the chanterelles. Look at that. Pretty good. Like polenta, arancini is simple to make and goes well with everything. Thanks for watching. See you next time.